Most people in Egypt are using digital wallets every day without realizing they are quietly losing money on hidden fees, bad exchange rates, and missed rewards. And here's the truth no one tells you. The wallet you choose can completely change how much you save every single month. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all digital wallets in Egypt do the same thing. They don't. Some are built for daily payments, some for banking, some for transfers, and some for international spending. If you mix them up, you end up paying more than you should. In this video, you will discover the 10 best digital wallets in Egypt for 2026. You will learn which wallets save you money, which ones give you rewards, which ones are safest, and which ones you should avoid depending on your lifestyle. Whether you are a student, freelancer, business owner, or just someone who uses mobile payments daily, this guide will make your financial life simpler and cheaper. And here's the interesting part. In the next few minutes I'll show you how people in Egypt are cutting transaction costs in half just by combining the right wallets. Let's get started. We begin with the most important wallet in Egypt, the one almost everyone already knows. First, Vodafone Cash. Vodafone Cash is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Egypt. If you have a Vodafone SIM card, you can activate it easily and start sending and receiving money instantly. Now here's why it matters. For many people like Ahmed in Cairo, Vodafone Cash is the first step into digital banking. He can pay bills, send money to friends, and even withdraw cash from agents nearby. But here's the problem. Transaction fees can add up if you are not careful, especially for frequent transfers. And there are daily and monthly limits depending on your account level. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users combine Vodafone Cash with other wallets to reduce dependency and avoid limits during peak usage. Let's move to the second major player. Second, Orange Cash. Orange Cash is similar to Vodafone Cash, but runs on the Orange Egypt network. It is designed for fast mobile transactions and bill payments. For example, Sarah in Alexandria uses Orange Cash to pay utilities and recharge her phone instantly without visiting physical shops. But here's the catch. It is not as widely used as Vodafone Cash, so in some areas, cash-out points may be limited. Still, it is a strong backup wallet for daily transactions. And now here's where it gets interesting. Some users actually keep both Vodafone Cash and Orange Cash active to avoid network downtime or transfer delays. Let's continue. Third, Etisalat Cash. Etisalat Cash is another mobile wallet in Egypt that offers similar services like sending money, paying bills, and withdrawing cash. For example, Omar in Giza uses Etisalat Cash for small daily purchases and quick transfers to friends. But here's the issue. Like other telecom wallets, fees and limits can vary depending on usage and verification level. So while it is convenient, it works best as a secondary wallet rather than your main financial system. Now in a minute, I'll show you a wallet that actually connects directly to your bank and gives you more control over your money. Fourth, SIB Smart Wallet. SIB Smart Wallet is offered by the Commercial International Bank, one of the largest banks in Egypt. This wallet allows you to link your bank account directly to mobile payments. That means better control, higher limits, and more secure transactions. For example, John, a small business owner in Cairo, uses SIB Smart Wallet to manage supplier payments and customer transactions without relying on cash. But here's the problem. You usually need a bank account with SIB to fully benefit from it. Still, it is one of the most secure and stable options available. Let's move on. Fifth, Fawry Wallet. Fawry is one of the most powerful digital payment ecosystems in Egypt. It is not just a wallet, it is a full payment network. You can pay bills, recharge phones, pay subscriptions, and even shop online. For example, Maya in Mansoura uses Fawry for almost all her monthly payments because it is widely accepted everywhere. But here's the catch. Some services may include convenience fees depending on the transaction type. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fawry is often used as a bridge between cash payments and digital services, making it one of the most versatile systems in Egypt. Let's continue. Sixth, InstaPay Egypt. TAI. InstaPay is one of the newest and most important digital payment systems in Egypt, directly connected to the national banking network. It allows instant transfers between different banks in seconds, using just a phone number or IBAN. For example, Ali in Cairo can send money from his national bank account to his friend's bank, Misr account instantly without waiting hours. But here's the problem. It requires bank integration and proper registration. So it is not as simple as mobile wallets. Still, it is one of the fastest and most secure transfer systems in Egypt today. Now in a minute, I'll show you the wallet that is becoming very popular for online shopping and cashback rewards. 7th, Vodafone Cash Merchant Wallet. This is a special version of Vodafone Cash, designed for businesses. It allows shop owners, freelancers, and sellers to receive payments directly from customers. For example, Kareem runs a small online store in Cairo. He uses the merchant wallet to receive payments instantly instead of dealing with cash. But here's the catch. It is more complex to set up compared to a normal wallet. Still, for business owners, it is extremely powerful. Let's move forward. 8th, PayPal. For Egypt users. PayPal is not fully localized in Egypt, but it is still widely used for international transactions. Freelancers like Lena use PayPal to receive payments from global clients. But here's the problem. Withdrawal options in Egypt are limited and sometimes require linking with bank accounts or cards. Still, it remains essential for international income. And now, here's where it gets interesting. Many freelancers use PayPal only as a receiving wallet and immediately transfer funds to local banks or other services. Let's continue. 9th, Payoneer. Payoneer is one of the most important wallets for Egyptians working online. It allows you to receive payments from companies worldwide and withdraw directly to your Egyptian bank account. For example, Tarek, a software developer in Cairo, uses Payoneer to get paid from us clients, and then withdraws locally. But here's the advantage. Compared to PayPal, Payoneer usually offers better conversion rates and lower fees. Still, it is mainly for international income, not daily spending. Now here's the final wallet. 10th, Meza Digital Wallet System. Meza is Egypt's national digital payment system, supported by the government and banks. It is designed to promote cashless payments across the country. You can use it for shopping, bill payments, and bank-linked transactions. For example, Ahmed uses Meza for secure purchases in stores that accept national cards. But here's the catch. It is still growing in adoption compared to mobile wallets like Vodafone Cash. Still, it is becoming a key part of Egypt's digital financial future. Now let's bring everything together. If you want to use digital wallets in Egypt effectively, you should never rely on just one system. Smart users combine multiple wallets depending on their needs. For daily transactions, Vodafone Cash, Orange Cash, and Etisalat Cash are the most practical. For banking and security, SIB Smart Wallet and InstaPay are powerful. For business and payments, Fawry and merchant wallets are essential. And for international income, PayPal and Payoneer are necessary. Here's the most important takeaway. The goal is not to choose one wallet. The goal is to build a system that reduces fees, increases flexibility, and gives you control over your money. If you understand this strategy, you can save money every month without changing your income at all. So remember this. Match your wallet to your purpose. Avoid unnecessary fees. And always compare before sending money. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your favorite digital wallet in Egypt, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that help you make smarter money decisions every day.